Yo, what's up with y'all? It's JD Travelsthenix, and I'm back with another quick video. Today, I was planning on going outside, getting a park workout. Woke up, heard the rain from outside, looked out the front door, saw that it was super gloomy, saw some rain outside, so I decided to get a home workout in today. We just had a hurricane warning a couple days back, so I figured there's probably still a lot of rain in the air or whatever. So yeah, getting a little workout in, and man, working out in the house is a completely different animal in terms of a few different things. I say in terms of your motivation, I definitely see how people are struggling with staying fit, being confined to this space. I'm not somebody who really likes to spend too much time indoors. So I love being outdoors. I get energy from the sun, get energy from being outside, and that makes working out a lot easier. So in the house is a little bit more difficult to motivate yourself. Also, doing some exercises in the house is actually a lot more difficult than doing it at the park. But anyways, like I said, getting a workout in, and gonna start this handstand set real quick. And these are much more difficult in the crib.
Another might be explosive.
I've been hitting handstands easy at the park, y'all. Alright, y'all, the second exercise of the day is going to be dips. If you don't have these parallel bars at the house, what you can use is you can just take 2 stools or even 2 chairs and set those side to side. You can make those into kind of like some makeshift dip bars. But anyways, do 15 on here. And yeah, man, these dips are even a little bit less stable than the ones at the park because they kind of got a tiny bit of wiggle to them. Next exercise we got going is explosive lunges. We're going to do 20 of these. Got to do something to kind of get a little high intensity in the house. It's hard to do anything high intensity in the house, so these will give you a little bit of intensity for your workout, even though you're kind of in a confined space. Another thing, y'all, is that I'm breaking this workout up into 2 different circuits. So I'm doing, the first circuit is a circuit of 5 exercises, which is going to be the handstands. It's going to be the decline diamond push-ups. Next is dips, then the explosive lunges, and then the final exercise for this circuit is going to be these kind of like upside down pull-ups, or I don't even know what you'll call them actually, to be honest with you, but it's just some type of inverted pull exercise. We're gonna do 10 of these. Alright, y'all, we on the second circuit. So On the second circuit, I got a couple different push variations I'm gonna do on these parallel bars. I would almost call them like, I don't know what to call this exercise, to be honest with you. But I'm gonna do some push exercises on the parallel bars, and I'm also gonna do some tricep extension exercises on the parallel bars on this second circuit of 5 exercises. Then I'm gonna go into like some static holds on the parallel bars. I got another jumping exercise for legs. Try to keep it a little high intensity. And then I forget what else I have on the list, but I got 5 exercises for this last one. We'll run through all of them individually. Like I've said before, when you're working out inside the house, you got less space, you got fragile items around, you got all different types of circumstances to deal with while you're training in the crib. But we can do some type of movements that kind of promote high intensity and explosiveness while we're in the house. So I think these knees, like on your knees, jumps up to your feet, I think that's a perfect kind of explosive workout that you can do in the house. So we're gonna do this, we're gonna do, let's just say 10 reps, 5 sets. Alright y'all, this is another pretty tough exercise. This is for your triceps, and we're going to be doing 1 bar tricep extensions. And while we're doing these 1 bar tricep extensions, I'm going to go half of the reps with my right hand over my left hand, and I'm going to do half of the reps with my left hand over my right hand. So just make sure you, because it's going to, when you do it, it works different parts of the arms depending on where you got your hands placed. So you want to make sure that you got adjusting your grip so you're working both sides equally. Or another thing you can do, if you're doing an even amount of sets, what you can do is just do 1 set with the right hand over the left, and then the next set with the left hand over the right. But for me, I do 5 sets, so I'm gonna need to switch it up mid-set. Alright, so the next exercise, you guys may have seen this one before, but it's basically you use the ab roller, and you're going to do it instead of on your knees, you're going to do it standing up. So just do it however many reps that you feel comfortable with, and actually if you can't do it on standing up, then you're going to want to do it on your knees, because when you do the ab roller on your knees, it's a lot simpler, it's a lot easier on your body. So if you don't have the strength to do it on your legs, standing up, I recommend that you just don't do it, because you can get injured doing this exercise. It really requires a lot of lower back strength, not just frontal core strength. It actually strengthens both sides.